If you allow God to do what He wants to do with you and in your life, you are going to become unrecognizable. You have to understand that God's plans are out of this world. He desires to do something new every single time. And the plans that He has for you are more than you can imagine. If you sit in the place of obedience, sit in that place of trust, you will end up becoming a version of yourself that you won't even be able to recognize. Even the people around you, they're not going to be able to recognize you. See, there is a version of you that is within you that God desires to pull out of you. That's that version that is going to be able to walk in the strength that He's calling you to walk in. That version that will be able to pursue the feats that He desires for you to do, whether that's in business, whether that's in marriage, or even in ministry. There's a version in you that even to your own self, you'll be shocked about. There is a version in you that even to your own self, you're going to be shocked. But the thing is that you have to allow God to pull that out of you. And He does it if you just walk the journey with Him. I'm not saying it's going to be painful. I'm not saying it's going to be anything other than God leading you and guiding you. He is your faithful shepherd. He knows what He's deposited in you. But that journey then requires trust. It requires obedience and a certain expectation that something is happening in the inside of you, even if you don't feel it, even if you don't see it, that He's pulling a version of you that honestly you will not be able to even pull that version out for yourself. I just want to be frank with you. There is untapped potential within you. Things that you have never been able to recognize that is within you. And sometimes it takes the hand of God to pull that potential out of you. But if you walk in the journey trusting Him, He will mold you into becoming something and someone that's unrecognizable. That person that you see, whether it's on TV or whether it's in business, and you look at them saying, wow, I can never be like them. God is saying you have that and 10 times more. All you have to do is be obedient to me. And again, I say, and I just want to be very clear about this part. This doesn't mean that God is about to put you in a boot camp and He's about to put you in a whole bunch of serious training and serious situations that are too overwhelming. No. He doesn't need to put you in positions of pain to pull something out of you. And sometimes that's why we are fearful to walk with Him in trust. Because we fear that He's going to take us into pain. Oftentimes, to be really honest, of course, pain comes as part of the journey sometimes. But oftentimes, if we are able to stay in a place of obedience, there's lessons that obedience can teach you that pain doesn't have to. And I want to just say that again. There's lessons that obedience can teach you that pain doesn't have to. Oftentimes, when we're walking in so much pain, we have to sit and analyze it and see, wait, is there a place that I'm being disobedient to God? Because my disobedience is opening up a pathway for that pain, for that misdirection, for the enemy to come and confuse me. So yes, God, He does do things that will challenge you, right? And sometimes you can perceive those things as painful, but God will never, ever, ever give you more than you can bear. 1. 2, He's a faithful shepherd and an actual good father who wants to bless you. And 3, when you walk in places of obedience, I'm telling you, you see the faithful hand of God that gives you the trust to be able to walk the journey with him. He doesn't want you walking in fear because you're afraid he's just going to take you into traps and like make you enter into the worst situations to mold and build this person out of you. No, God doesn't actually desire that from you, and that is a lie from the pits of hell. So don't believe that. Know that God's plans for you are good. He has good plans for you. What it takes is obedience to be able to stay, to be able to trust, to be able to walk with him, being led by him. And you'll see through that obedience, he will then cultivate and create something out of you that you've never, ever, ever seen before. An unrecognizable version of yourself that's going to do great and mighty things for him and for the kingdom. So I just wanted to make this message to really encourage someone to just trust in the leading of the Lord, trust in the plans and the journey that he has for you, and become expectant to know that he is going to do an unrecognizable work in you. And trust that he's not just taking you down paths of pain. And I feel this for somebody. I don't know if somebody is on that other side, like I'm scared to trust because I was in pain before, and so then you're scared to walk because you're afraid of the pain. God is with you. God loves you. God will never give you anything more that you can bear. Remember that. But remember, obedience can teach you lessons that pain doesn't have to. And oftentimes why we enter into certain places of pain is because of our disobedience, not because God desired it, not because he planned it. What God then does is he shifts those situations and the pain that you went through to become for your good, but it's not necessarily his intentions from the beginning. Where he wanted you was just to walk in a place of obedience and trust. So I just want to encourage someone right now to enter into that place of trust, into that place of obedience, and allow God to mold something great out of you. And I promise you, you will not regret your decision. You won't. Especially if you stay near and dear to the Lord, you won't. So, if you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Definitely subscribe to the channel, subscribe to the family. It's not even just a channel, it's a family. Once you subscribe, I consider you as honorary members of my family. So subscribe, join the family. I post new videos every single day besides Sunday. So there's always going to be a fresh new word here for you. So I will see you guys tomorrow for the next video. Stay connected. I love you. Know that God loves you even more and that you are highly, highly, highly blessed. Stay blessed.